Hi there. So here I am with the updated version of Web Jenkins Chatbot. But before I tell you what the changes I have made in it, I will like to show you the older version, or I say the current version of it, how it works. So if I go to my YouTube channel and if I run this video, so you can see it pops up and you have two options like I'm looking to buy or I'm looking to rent. You click one of the button, it asks you the minimum price. Let me forward it a bit. It asks you maximum price, blah blah blah, right? So this is how it was currently working. So if I go forward further, yeah. So I have made changes in it. So now I have tried to make it a conversational AI chatbot. Functionality is almost same. I mean the way product search appears or everything else, but instead of asking the robotic questions like enter your bedroom count, search type, etc., etc. I have tried to make it a conversational bot. So once you open the chatbots, it shows you two options: search properties or ask about company. Search properties means that you will be giving up criteria. Based on that criteria, it will respond you. And ask about company is a typical knowledge base. I have put a few links here from the Web Jenkins website to learn about the company. So the main part is the search properties. I click on it, so it's giving you for few options. Sure, you may ask questions like I want to buy a house with the budget of this. I'm interested to buy. So first of all, let me send something to this chatbot. So it said what it has to do with real estate listing. Okay, it has nothing to do with real estate listing. I'm just trying to play with it. Now I ask, I want a home. So again, it say you must specify whether you are looking to buy or rent a property. For instance, it gives example: I am looking to buy a house. I am in search of a rental home. Okay, I say I am looking to buy a house with two bedrooms. Alright, so it returns the properties. Uh, from these properties, you can search it. For instance, I say I'm interested in this one. I say yes. I say I'm interested in this one. I say no. And it asks you selected the following properties: Leaston Road and Groove Road. And now it's asking, would you like to provide us a contact details? I say yes. I say my name is Adnan Ahmed. This is my number, and it's saved in the behind the database. So if I go to my website where I'm storing all these leads, so this is me, Adnan Ahmed 939, and so these are the properties I'm looking for. So this is a very simple web interface. So you can connect this part with your CRM like Go High Level, HubSpot, your own internal proprietary database, whatever. It's up to you. So the point is, yeah, the inquiry of the user of the chatbot is recorded at your end, and some of your staff member can approach to them and try to close the deal. So let me run again. I am going again. I am starting a new chat here. So I am what I'm doing. I'm searching again. I'm saying I am looking to buy a house, and my range is uh, 100,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, to 1, 2, 3, 6, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it returns the properties with the range between 100K to 300, right? 300K max 250. Again, the process is same. So I just want to no, I say no, and it ends the chart. So this is how the search is working. Before I quit here, I would like to show the this about company page. So this is generic information from the website. So I have just provided the URLs of this website. The bot will fetch the data based on the query and present to you. So I would like to ask, how can I reach out? What services do you provide? So just like search, this section is also using AI. I specifically say GPT. It it extracts the information from the page, is compile that information and present it to you in bullet format. So it say we provide services, our team consists experience, blah 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 blah. Whatever the information is here, is presented here. So this, since this is a demo bot, it's not necessary that you directly extract the information from the web page. You can explicitly provide your own questions and answer, and it can work as it is. So that's it about the demo, and the next part is kind of a bit technical. I would like to show how it how I made it possible. So I have seen many people uh, who were complaining, like uh, the chatbot developers who are working on the recommendation system, all such stuff. Many ask questions to me like whether should I whether should I use the knowledge base, whether should I use something else, blah blah blah. So one clever trick I found from Brendan, from his channel, that he used the Airtable for his e-commerce bot. So I has kind of utilized the same same trick, not trick, same method actually, to make a create a product the property recommendation system, and I'm returning kind of JSON response. So it's a bit technical. So I would like to tell how I did. So here is my, actually the first I made it. I created a custom GPT at my end for testing purpose. So here is my custom GPT, and here is my prompt. Let me show you. Instructions, like this is my structure. You are a JSON generator, web for web gen skills, real estate web API, convert user queries. I say you must response, you always give the valid response, and all your response must be in JSON format. Then I provided the JSON field, which field should it use when responding, and then I provided a few sample examples and said any query that has no relationship with real estate, so it will respond with a JSON output like this. So at my VoiceFlow chatbot, what I'm checking, if there is an error field, and if that error field contains the invalid query, so I respond accordingly. Just like with the chatbot, I asked LOL, so it responds. It has nothing to do with real estate. The next thing is, someone asks, I'm looking for a home. For someone is asking for a home, and he doesn't mention whether he's looking to buy or rent or purchase or whatever. It responds with an error, no search type found. So I'm doing this as well. Later on that, someone say I want to buy a house. This is a valid query. So all these fields actually are the valid API parameters of the Web Jenkins. So I said the trans type ID 1, rest are blank. So this is how it works. So let's see how it works. So I say LOL. Let's see how it works. Invalid query, right? Now I ask, I need a home. It say no search type form. Now I say I want a home. I want to buy a home with 2 bedrooms, and my range is 100 to, I hope, 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3. Okay. Now again it created a JSON response, trans type ID, minimum price, max price, minimum bedrooms. So what I did, what I'm doing, like I am passing this JSON payload to the API step of the VoiceFlow, and then from there I am creating a GET request and passing all these fields to my backend script which I had created in PHP, and it returning the answer from WebJenkins. Now let me, I want a house for rent and with minimum price 1000. So it's set type ID is changed from 1 to 2, minimum price 1000, and max price is blank, minimum bedrooms is blank. So this is how it works. Same thing, I copied the instructions from my custom GPT to the VoiceFlow, and this is how I made that chatbot. So hope you like it. If you have any query and you want to ask something, feel free to message me. You can replicate the entire method for anything, like for e-commerce recommendation system, some document recommendation system, anything you want, as long as you are passing the right prompt to your voice flow settings in the AI step. Thank you.